Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Vega straightener effectively. Proper preparation is key for achieving sleek, long-lasting results and protecting your hair. First, make sure your hair is completely clean, dry, and detangled. Then, apply a good quality heat protectant spray evenly from roots to ends. Finally, divide your hair into several manageable sections, each about 1 to 2 inches wide, to ensure thorough and consistent straightening. This foundational step sets you up for success. Choosing the correct heat setting is crucial for both styling effectiveness and hair health. For fine or damaged hair, start with a lower temperature, around 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have thicker or coarser hair, you might need a higher setting, up to 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, but always test a small section first. This ensures you get the desired straightness without causing unnecessary heat damage to your precious strands. Now, let's get to the actual straightening. Take one of your prepared sections and place it between the straightener plates, as close to the roots as comfortable. Gently clamp down and then glide the straightener smoothly and steadily down the entire length of the hair, all the way to the ends. Avoid stopping or pausing to prevent creases. Repeat this process on each section, ensuring every strand receives even heat for a consistently sleek finish. One pass per section is often enough. Once you've straightened all your hair, allow it to cool completely before touching it or applying any products. This cooling period helps to set the style and enhance its longevity. For a polished look, you can apply a small amount of light finishing serum for shine or a flexible hold hairspray. Remember to keep your Vega straightener in top condition by regularly wiping its plates with a damp cloth after it has cooled down. This simple care extends its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.